Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change state in Last Z Survival Shooter. To change your state in Last Z Survival Shooter, first ensure you've unlocked the game's core features, including access to your world map and profile. Once you're in the main interface, look forward to the top left corner of your screen where your profile icon is located. Tap on it, then navigate the account section, which sits just beside the settings menu. From here, go into character management. Before proceeding, make sure your account is linked to a verified email address to avoid losing progress. Once that's set, select create new character and you'll see a list of available states, essentially different servers. Each state allows only one character, so choose wisely based on activity level or crowd size indicators. After selecting your preferred state, a new character will be created for that server with a separate progress path from your original one. And that's how you change states in Last Sea Survival Shooter. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.